Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also includes the sports package, which is going to give you the sports suspension, sports interior and exterior, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, all-season floor mats. Coming alongside, this one comes with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, a black wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, a rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB port, touchpad, and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E300 4MATIC has 43,964 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.